Hello everyone, myself Nikhil Galigar. Today's bio topic is memory allocation in a Java. The memory allocation in a Java is the process of reserving memory for the objects. Java uses a garbage collector to automatically manage memory allocation and deallocations. There are two main areas of memory in Java. First one is stack memory. The stack memory is used to store a local variable, methods, parameters and a return value. The stack memory is allocated on a per thread basis and it is used in a last in first out, that is a LIFO manner. The next is a heap memory. The heap memory is used to store the objects. The heap memory is shared by all threads in the application and it is managed by the garbage collector. When an object is created, it is allocated on the heap. The garbage collector will automatically deallocate objects that are no longer referenced by any other objects. There are few things to keep in mind about the memory allocation in the Java. First one is a memory leaks. A memory leak occurs when an object is no longer referenced by any other objects but it is still allocated on the heap memory. Leaks can be lead to performs a problem and even the application crashes. Second is a garbage collection pauses. The garbage collector periodically pauses the application to collect the garbage. These pauses can be noticeable for the long running applications. There are number of things that can be done to minimize the memory leak and garbage collection pauses, such as avoiding creating unnecessary objects. This can be done by using the immutable objects whenever possible and by using the final keywords to prevent the objects from being changed after they are created. Releasing resource explicitly is the next point. In that point, this can be done by using the close method on the resources such as files and database connections. Using a garbage collection tuning tool is the next point. In that point we are discussing there are a number of tools available that can help to tune the garbage collector for the particular application. Memory allocation in the Java is a complex topic, but it is important to understand the basic in order to write the efficient and reliable applications. Here are some additional things to keep in mind about the memory allocation in the Java are: the Java virtual machine has a number of settings that can affect the memory allocation, such as the heap size and the garbage collection algorithm. The garbage collector can be tuned to improve the performance or to reduce the pauses. There are number of the tools available to help the programmers manage memory in Java, such as memory leak detection tool and garbage collection tuning tools. That's all about memory location in the Java. Thank you.